And for you to go into the world.
My God.
Make disciples.
Hallelujah.
That's my assignment.
Yes. Hallelujah.
The devil knows.
Oh, yes.
And so he fights, watch this,
My God.
and aggravates your assignment.
Yes.
Because he understands the vision that the Father has given.
My God.
And so now the way that I tap into blurring the Father's vision is by the devil messing with my assignment.
All right. Yes.
I think I'm in trouble here, but you see, you need to understand the devil comes in three ways, or he has a three-point attack. He comes to steal, to kill, and to destroy. So now I just need to take it back to Peoples for a moment so we can all be one church. He didn't say we're family. You see, what I tell the people in Peoples is, if you or anybody can testify that the devil is after you, that the devil is trying to steal something from you, that the devil is trying to kill you, that the devil is trying to destroy you, he's trying to steal your peace, trying to steal your joy. See, some of y'all came to church today and you knew you had to fight to get to church. Because the devil was trying to steal something from you. But I just come down to find out, and you know, I used to be a thief when I was a little young boy, but I found out something. You see, when you really are a thief, God, you don't steal from somebody that doesn't have anything. So if the devil is coming to steal, kill, and destroy, you shouldn't get into a pity party. You ought to get into a praise party, because that's a testimony that I've got something worth having. Look at your neighbor and say, I got something worth having. God, it may not be much, but I got something worth having. It may seem like a little bit to you, but I got something worth having. It might be a little house, it might be a little car, but I got something worth having. I got a little joy, got a little smile, but it's something worth having. Tell somebody, I got something. If you didn't have some worth having, why is he so hard after you? Why is he so hard after your children? Why is he so